Today I'll be unboxing and assembling the 24-inch Samsung LED gaming monitor coming up. Welcome everyone. I wanted to get a monitor to attach to my laptop and I opted to get two of the Samsung 24-inch LED gaming monitors. I went back and forth for quite a while on whether or not I wanted to get an ultra-wide monitor or get the dual monitor setup. And in the end, I decided that the dual monitor setup would be best for me. Today, for the purpose of this video, I'm only going to be opening up one of the monitors and setting it up for everyone. Let's get into it. Let's open it up. So you got a little diagram of all the parts on the one side, as well as a diagram, I guess there's a control stick on the back of this monitor. And first thing you see is your user manual inside, as well as, I believe it's your power adapter, your HDMI cable. Set those off to the side. You got the leg to your mount here. Open it up. Set that off to the side. Just throw this down to the floor beside me. And then this should be the other piece to the mount for the back of your monitor, which on it has the attachment screws for your monitor. Grab that. Plug that. There's a little screw here that you can hand screw in to tighten it into place, which I'm going to do right now since I'm here. Tighten that up. Perfect. Set that off to the side. Pull the styrofoam off the monitor. And then the main piece to this, which is the monitor itself. Set this off to the side. Okay. There you go. There's the monitor. And then, I'll get this spun around. On the back here, you have your control stick that they were talking about. I don't know if you can see that or not. You got your HDMI plug-in, your PC in, as well as your 4K, it looks like. All right, next up I'm going to attach the base to the monitor, which I'm going to carefully flip it back over because last thing I want to do is break my monitor before I ever use it. So grab this, take the screws off of it, and get my box cutter here. Try not to cut myself. And make sure there's no other pieces I have to pull off here. Not sure what that is. Perfect. So, I need something to brace it up a little bit. Let's grab a styrofoam to put it in. And clips into place. Flip it up like that. Put my one screw in. Grab my screwdriver. Make that nice and snug. Grab my second screw, put that into place, try not to drop it on the floor, and get that tightened in place. There you go. Get rid of the styrofoam again. Get rid of this piece. And there you go. The Samsung 24-inch LED gaming monitor.